We're so happy we have a pool in our backyard. So before you see this beautiful pool behind me, we had a lot of grass. You know, we had a playscape, so our yard catered a lot to a younger kid. We wanted to kind of take that experience of the backyard and kind of elevate it. My backyard is not the biggest. I was pretty impressed on how they were able to fit this in my backyard, given the limitations, you know, just kind of getting it around the tree and setting it in place.
Right now, the crew behind me is doing the finishing touches on the forming of the decking. Make sure all the rebar is tied in together. Once that rebar is tied in together and everything is strong, we can lay the concrete on top. We can be swimming in the next 3 to 4 days.
So with the money that I saved with fiberglass, we were able to invest in turf, work on little landscaping. We were also able to invest in the salt system and a heater. We're so happy we went with fiberglass. We're so happy we have a pool in our backyard. I'm excited to get in the water and just enjoy the time in the pool.
Get the best fiberglass pools Texas has to offer, only at Fiberlux.